In this tutorial I will show you how to get your YouTube channel ID on mobile. First of all, open up any web browser. Go to youtube.com. Make sure you are logged into your YouTube channel. After that, tap on these three dots at the top right, and then select the desktop site. Next, tap on your channel icon at the top right. From this menu, tap on Settings. On the left side of the page, tap on Advanced Settings. The first one here is the user ID and the second one is your YouTube channel ID. Now you can copy YouTube channel ID and you can share it with anyone that you like.